One of the things that I love about rum is its versatility, depending on your mood or the occasion or the moment. I love a rum and food pairing, and one of my favorites is spiced rum and chocolate. It's a match made in heaven. You're going to get the beautiful flavors and aromatics of the spiced rum, and then you've got the decadent flavors of the chocolate, and together it's just beautiful. You must try it. So there's different ways to approach a food pairing. For me, I like to start by spending a bit of time with the spirit. You know, I have a spiced rum here, great to smell and obviously to taste. And then when I'm going to introduce the food item, which in this instance is chocolate, I'm going to have a little bit of the chocolate, and then I'm going to chase it with the dram of spiced rum. Absolutely incredible. All of the flavors intertwined. I'm getting that decadence of the chocolate, the cocoa, the sweetness, and it's so beautifully complemented by the gentle spices and the honeyed profile of the rum. So there are many different types of rums that will work with chocolate. My personal preference is an aged rum or a spiced rum. When it comes to the selection of the chocolate, again, it depends on personal preferences. But I personally like a more bold chocolate, 70% or beyond, or something a little bit decadent like a chocolate truffle, works just as well. They say rum and chocolate is a match made in heaven, and it really is.